Hello and welcome to a quick little travel video of the Amtrak from Montreal to New York. So this train takes around 10 hours. It starts here in Montreal. So look inside the train station in Montreal. I think it's the Grand Centrale, translated to English. Yeah, I highly recommend visiting Montreal. It's a beautiful city, beautiful people, tattooed chicks with armpit hair. This is a look walking towards the train.
New York.
Entering the train now.
Nice.
This is my little superhero moment. We have this elderly French Canadian man come to the rescue. I had to put down the camera for a second. And now we're leaving Montreal, so this is leaving the station. It's a morning train, maybe I think 10 a.m. Get a couple quick views of the city as you're leaving. Again, the vibe in Montreal, it's unmatched. It's fantastic. Food's great. Lots of French fries, fits with everything. It's great. This is the river as you're leaving Montreal. There's a cool little island filled with these seagulls, these gangs of seagulls. I thought was pretty interesting. Some houses, again, Montreal suburbs. Lots of hockey. And then this is the rest of the journey pretty much in Quebec. It is a lot of fields. I think these are, grain fields that might have been already harvested, or they might be potato fields. I'm not too sure. But this was the majority of the time spent in Quebec. This is in February when I took this train. Maybe it's prettier during the summertime. So I decided to go for a little walk. Very satisfying button to press. Gonna take a little peek. I'm making my way to the food court. This is a food cart. You can see waiting with a bunch of my fellow train passengers. Ooh, and look at that delicious meal right there. That nice chicken panini. I'll give you the money shot. Cheese, panini, bread, good eats. Got a coffee too. It actually wasn't bad. I mean, it is what it is. It's like Starbucks, but it was decent. Again, more fields all through Quebec. And then we enter the U.S. border. So this is the border crossing from Quebec to New York. I think it's a Rouse's Point. And look at that. Some Amish people doing the do. They love it. Can't get enough of that Mountain Dew. And then we've entered New York. I thought this is pretty cool. You can see these power lines that are kind of like submerged. I'm not sure how that happened, but I thought it was a pretty cool image. And then we're starting to look at the lake, Lake Champlain. Decided to give a quick tour of the throne room on the Amtrak. So this is the bathrooms on the Amtrak. There's a quick photo of me, nice mustache, nice flow going, looking good. The toilet there, the trash can. Got everything you need. The nice button to flush away. anything. Very comfortable. Enjoying the journey. And more farmland. But this is a little bit prettier. You got the nice clouds there. It's a really pretty view. Good to just put in music, chill out, enjoy the train. Sun was coming out. The clouds were kind of parting. Just fantastic. Fort Edwards, Glen Falls, New York. No Amish in sight, no Mountain Dew in sight, sadly. I was on the hunt. I was looking, but I could not find any. Albany, New York. There's a big Nipper statue, the world famous Nipper statue in Albany. Just a beautiful city. Quite the sightseeing. Look at that. Look at that architecture. You don't find that anywhere else. Soviet-esque. Here's a side view of this building. I'm sure there's lots of ghouls and creepers hiding in there, enjoying themselves, but pretty cool graffiti. Honestly, it was a pretty cool view. I thought that building was pretty cool in the distance. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a town hall or something, but I'm too lazy to Google it, so I'll let your imagination decide. Nice golden statue on top. We got a little break here, so we got a little break to stretch out the legs. So, quick pit stop here, playing a little Tom Petty, enjoying the vibes. Great mustache on that man. ABC, the local news leader. Beautiful.
Cool.
Train station from the outside. Again, just stretching the legs a little bit. Wow, and what a view to die for. Look at those cars. So jumping back on the train now. I didn't get any footage of this, but the sun went down very quick, and this was the rest of the train ride. Just a nice nighttime view of the lake. And now we have arrived at Penn Station. So we arrived in beautiful New York. And this is Penn Station. So after 10 hours, we've arrived. Beautiful New York City. So if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Thanks.